In order to create true wealth, we have to keep in mind that a true business is a system doing and telling for us. In other words, if we don't have the right systems in place, then the business will eventually fail. We need to keep in mind that even the smallest things that we do in our businesses will matter and will have a consequence. That's why it's important to take care of the legalities and to do that from the beginning, because a lot of times people tend to wait until they think that the business is big enough for them to take care of that. And in reality, that is the worst angle or approach to go about it, because the legalities should be in place from the beginning of the inception of the company. That way we are protecting the assets that we're creating for the company. That means that we are adding business integrity, and we are adding intrinsic value into the company. Business integrity means that the company is making a profit, is built to create passive income, to create a profit. We are in business to be profitable. And intrinsic value means that we are protecting the assets and what we are creating that is unique for the company. We're protecting it with the right legalities in place so that no one can take it away from us. No one can copy what we're doing because it's protected. And that's how we turn a company into a brand. It's not enough to just have a company, because anybody can take that and can copy what we're doing if we don't have the legalities in place. So business integrity and intrinsic value both are very important when it comes to business, and that is how we turn a business into a brand. And that's what we want to do, build real brands that can be here even after we are not here. They can last generations. And it requires us to have financial intelligence, which comes from the 3 E's of a master investor: financial education, financial experience, and excess of passive income. That means that we need to apply what we're learning into our real life. We need to receive passive income. We need to obtain that money coming in from our businesses. Otherwise, we don't have any businesses, we don't have any income in the form of passive income coming into our pockets. So focus on the assets column. Make sure to go to our website, get our ebooks, digital courses, financial tools, and subscribe to the newsletter so that we receive the articles that we're publishing every single month, so that we increase our financial intelligence. Invest in financial education and invest in passive income.